We're doing another flavor video, this time coconut.
Hi.
Hi. As you know, we don't like coconut from
As
previous
you know,
videos.
also, nobody watches these videos.
Well, true. But hey, there's a solid 50 people out there who watch these.
50?
50 people.
We're famous.
We get comments.
That's more people than I think would ever bother watching it that knows me, so there has to be strangers.
There's strangers. There's strangers in there.
There has to be.
My favorite comment so far was a guy who commented, "Man, when I started watching you, I was at 400 subscribers. Now I'm at 900." And I'm like, thanks for just bullying me, I guess. Thanks for just, when you start watching me. Thanks for like flexing on me.
Extremely low ranked flexing. Like, oh, you're level 2. I'm level 5 now, loser. It's like, okay, guy,
But like
chill.
we have like 850 subscribers on this, so like it's not like he's got
this
that much
is part
more.
of your channel, though, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's why. It's all from your shit.
Yeah, but no, he's talking
Your videos
about,
get like 1,000 views.
he's talking about his things.
Don't yours get like 1,000 views?
For
you're
what?
You're like your food ones where you cook. What do those get?
No, those get no views.
What?
Yeah, my food videos get no views.
Where are all your fucking subscribers from?
That's a completely different channel. The food videos is its own separate channel.
What is on this channel?
This?
That's it?
Pretty much.
And we have 900 subs on this?
Yeah.
How?
People like it.
What?
People like seeing us banter.
I don't understand. How do you manage to get 50 views a video but have 900 subscribers?
I don't know. That's how it is.
Just bots randomly hitting. All right.
My cooking channel only has like 17 subscribers. It gets like 3 views a video. And it's funny because the videos are way better than these.
And half of
way
them are
better.
from me because I watch those and I.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's only people that I know who watch them. And like they're good. I
like them.
I think they're really good.
I like them. I like your cooking ones.
Today we're doing coconut. Your side is just single flavors, so we'll do you first.
This is LaCroix. Coconut. Natural essence. Naturally
We can get cups.
You know, in the video where we
I'll be
did
back. You can just ramble and get cups.
in the video where we did the spin drift,
Yeah.
we looked at the back and looked at like the juices and the ingredients to see what juices they were because it almost never matched the flavor they said
Yeah.
on the thing. And I just literally like went to read the ingredients. It was like, there's no friggin' ingredients. It's just water and artificial flavors. Excuse me, water and naturally essenced, whatever the hell that means.
What I find hilarious is LaCroix is
They
like,
even put an asterisk after naturally essence. Like, we all know this is bullshit.
it's so popular and like it's
I
kind of
drink
like
it.
a premium item. Like they started to go down in price recently. But like I remember when we were kids, this was like the Dollar Tree brand. Like this is what was at the dollar store.
There's no such thing as a Dollar Tree anymore.
It's a $1.25 tree.
$1.25 tree.
Gotta shake out some quarters.
I don't want to drink it, Chris. I can smell it.
It is exactly the flavor of sunscreen, like tanning oil.
No.
Yeah.
Not exactly, but it's close.
How is it? I mean, I guess there's no chemical flavor in the after side.
Yeah, well, there's a little bit, but not that kind. I'd say it's 90% of the way there.
First place for now.
First place for now, baby. First place by default. Let's go. They're killing it out there in LaCroix.
Next up is the Winn-Dixie
Where's
brand
LaCroix
coconut.
based? Who makes LaCroix?
I can tell you it's definitely not French.
I don't think it is.
Ain't no way.
Would it say on here at least like a location or something? Does this say Mayward? Oh, Mayward, California?
Makes sense.
Distributed by LaCroix. Oh, it's actually just LaCroix Beverages Inc., which I'm sure is owned by somebody else, but you know.
This is from Jacksonville, Florida.
A national beverage company in California.
This is Jacksonville, Florida.
Wait, what?
Jacksonville, Florida.
What brand is it?
The grocery store, Winn-Dixie.
Is Winn-Dixie like based from Florida?
I don't know. Cheers.
Did you pour me it?
Yeah.
Boy, I am out of it. Wait, what was this?
Winn-Dixie brand coconut.
Oh, coconut.
Yeah. The rest of them from here are coconut pineapple.
That one's less
like it.
egregious because it tastes less like coconut.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
I think it's fine.
Yeah.
So then first
It
place.
almost tastes like not very accurate candied coconut.
Yeah.
Like it tastes sweeter. I know that makes no sense because I don't think there's any sweeteners in it, but it tastes sweeter.
We talking sweeter. Let's just grab this boy right here.
Why is that
This
one
is
sweetened?
the pineapple coconut sweetened sparkling
Didn't all
water.
of the sweetened sparkling waters we try taste like Dookie shoes?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, no,
And
they
this'll
were all
this
terrible.
is the worst one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no, this is last place. We already know where it's going.
Chris, you already managed to get it backwards, bud.
I thought you said this was best.
First place is my side. Okay, listen, guys. We literally do this every time, And then Chris sends me a message on Discord and pins it so we can save it that says, Nick, your side is good side, my side is bad side. We will not forget now. And then, I don't know, 30 seconds before he hit friggin' play, we go, all right, which side's the good side? My side. Okay, cool. And then he immediately puts the wrong side.
Oh man. You want to give these numbers too? Because I would give this a 0 out of 10.
We can still do numbers. That's allowed.
Yeah, but I would give this a 0 out of 10. 2. I'd give it a 2 out of 10. I'm not vomiting. I feel like if I vomit, it's a 0 out of 10.
Something's got to come back out. My body has to reject it for it to be a 0.
Like this is a 2. This is like a 3.5. And this is like a 4?
No.
This is a 3 and that's a 4?
That's a 3, that's a 5, and that's a 6.
Brother, we review things differently. To me, a 5
I'm
is
just
mid.
thinking of this as coconut waters.
I'm not.
You want me to give it as sparkling water?
Yes.
Okay, that's a 1, that's a 2.5, and that's a 4.
It's fair. That's fair. Go ahead. What is this?
This is Waterloo's Pinot Colada.
No alcohol.
It says non-alcoholic.
It really wants you to know.
Non-alcoholic.
It says it several times at the can. There's no alcohol in this. I think it's because the line...
It also says to please recycle.
So this line of Waterloo that came out this summer is Pina Colada, Mojito.
Yeah, that was to say they did that with the Mojito one. Anything that is the name of an alcoholic drink, they plaster non-alcoholic all over.
All Day Rosé. So I think that's because it's an alcoholic drink name. But these are summer exclusives.
So all the rest are
from
Pina Colada now, right?
They're all pineapple coconut. Ooh.
Ooh, Chris, get like a blub of it and let it sit in your mouth for a second. Did you do that?
Yeah, you know what it tastes like?
What?
Remember those ice pops that you can rip in half? The coconut
I have
one, the
them
white
in the
one. Oh, you got
freezer
them?
outside.
Yeah, it tastes like that.
Yeah, I like
the
them,
pina
though.
colada
The white
flavor.
one was like my favorite.
I like this.
Well,
I would drink this.
grape was banana was my favorite. Yellow, but
Yeah, I would definitely drink. It is pina colada flavored instead of coconut pineapple. It really is pina colada. It tastes like you got that like creaminess in there.
But take some and let it just sit on your tongue for a second. It almost tastes a little spicy. Not spicy. That's a bad word, but like, I don't know, not pina colada-y, if that makes sense. Something else.
Or like alcoholic.
No.
What do you mean by spicy? I'm not getting this.
I don't know. Maybe spicy is the wrong word. There's something
Vanilla?
funky going on.
I feel like I'm getting a
Maybe
little
it's
bit vanilla. That's definitely first place. I don't know. We didn't say.
Yeah, no, yeah.
What would you give it?
6?
I would give it a 7. 6.5. 6.5. I would never buy it again.
It's above average, but I would
6.
literally never buy it
You
again.
know, it's going down. 5.5. Actually, I would never buy it again.
Well, it's like, yes.
No, it's a
because
6. It's a 6.
Even if it's average is garbage when you're talking
Yeah,
about
I
sparkling
wouldn't buy an
water because
average sparkling
there's
water.
like 7,000 sparkling waters, as we have learned.
as underneath my bed will show, there are thousands of sparkling.
He doesn't have a bed frame. It's just sparkling water box.
So actually, I'm not joking. The entire underneath of my bed was full of sparkling water boxes for a while there, and then I ran out of room, and I had them stacked in the corner of my bedroom. I have a king size bed, by the way. They go 2 tall, 6 deep, all the way.
Jeez.
This-
Ready for the apocalypse, baby.
I'm running low actually.
No water.
I've been killing them. Drinking like 2 cans a day, 3 cans a day. I'm getting through
I
it.
drink like 2 or 3 cans a day. It's not good.
This is unsweetened,
Wasteful. I mean, we
coconut,
recycle.
pineapple, sparkling water. Good and Gather, Target brand. I think we like Target brand.
Although Target does pretty good usually. With Good and Gather, right?
It smells more pineapple-y on the nose.
I only smell pineapple, really.
Yeah, it just kind of tastes like pineapple.
It's significantly less strong than the previous 2, even.
It's like a bland pineapple flavor with maybe an after breath of coconut. But
I want to put it here
I'd put it above.
or here.
Yeah.
I'm down.
I kind of like it. I give it a 5.
I'm down with that.
I think it's perfectly mid.
Okay, guys, this is bubbly coconut. Also, I just want to point out, can we just for a second? I mean, I guess pina colada. This is pineapple coconut, but all the other ones they're coconut pineapple.
Well, this one just tastes like pineapple to me. I think it's because
coconut. Oh, that doesn't even have pineapple.
that one's trying to emulate an alcoholic beverage.
Right.
Yeah, this one doesn't have pineapple. We'll get to that.
This
after,
is
though.
bubbly, which means they got a cute little colored tab. They spent the extra 0.001 cents to color each tab.
And I appreciate it.
And we highly appreciate it. This one says Ayo.
Heyo.
Don't they usually have like a couple
They all have
different
a different.
things?
Yeah, they all have different things.
It's like pop.
I can't wait to do the bubbly one, dude. The bubbly video. It's gonna be peak. I'm gonna make a necklace out of all the little tabs.
That would be sick,
The
actually. 'cause
entire
they're
time.
colored.
Yeah, they're all colored. Every single one's a different color. Also, in
Why
case
haven't
you're
I been
wondering,
doing that? I
this
drink
one is a
bubblies.
mustached smile, if you were wondering.
Oh yeah, they usually have something different on the.
Cheers. I was going to review this higher, but on the side of it, it says, "I'll drive you coconuts," and I don't respect that. No, I'm kidding. It does say that though, right there. "I'll drive you coconuts."
See it
It's like a 5.
right here.
Yeah, it's pretty mid. Nothing to write home about. I would say it's balanced between coconut and pineapple.
Is it weird that like when we do these videos, even like unless we eat food, but if we just do the water ones, I want like McDonald's or something after.
It's probably because your kidneys are shutting down from the amount of water that we drink.
It's like desperate for salt, I
Yeah,
guess. Or something. It's like, give me any, just eat salt. I need a salt lick. Anything. Get this man some sodium.
This final one is coconut limeade from Polar. Didn't come out.
I heard it.
Thought I was gonna burp, yeah.
I don't know if
No, it came out, but it didn't burp.
No. Like the mic is right on your chest, so I'm curious if it picked it up. But there was like a weird gurgle,
Yeah,
and then he
that
went
was
to
the
open
air.
his mouth, and nothing
It
happened.
escaped without me burping.
You get a hole in your.
Esophagus. Maybe that's why I've had so much heartburn recently.
Excuse me. Whatever the what's the like clamp that closes your esophagus? You know, the muscle.
No, but throat.
That like closes things off and opens them. You get like a hole burned through that or something. There's air leaking out.
Maybe.
I know nothing about that. Everything I just said could be absolute bullshit. I don't know.
Coconut limeade. That is heavily limed.
Way more than I anticipated.
I guess it is a limeade, right?
It should be slightly coconutty and mostly limey because
that's
it's
what it
coconut
is.
limeade. And that is what it is. And I don't hate it.
No, I'd put it in first place.
Yeah, it's the least coconutty thing in this entire video.
I'd give it a solid 6.
Yeah.
Would not buy again.
6.5.
Really, what this comes down to, people, is
We don't like coconut.
We don't like coconut, and we don't like any of these. But this is the order. Polar's the best. Winn-Dixie's the worst. Winn-Dixie's pretty bottom of the
and
barrel.
Waterloo. I feel like these two are
Consumable.
well, no. I mean, like as brands, they come like generally in like the top 5 in videos,
Well, hey, Nick.
and they're like 2 cheaper ones.
Get excited. We're doing Polar later tonight, probably.
Let's go,
or tomorrow.
baby. Let's go.
We're filming for 2. By the way, when you're watching this video...
I don't change shirts. They can tell. What it is.
Yeah, no, I know, but we film like a lot of them back to back. This time, I'm here for 2 days so we can film a bunch. And not only that, this video right now, we're filming it on Sunday. This comes out on Wednesday. Like, normally there's like a month or 2 in
Yeah, well,
advance.
he's here to build a log.
Yeah, well, we normally have a log. We burnt through it. I just didn't come here for a while, so we burnt through like my 3-month backlog. And now we're gonna build it back up again, right?
How
now.
long? What is your pacing again?
Every other week.
Okay.
Every other week on this channel and every other week on the other channel. I have a video coming out once a week right now. Anyways, there's your ranking. See you guys.
See you in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Once we tear this down and set it back up.